Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will be creating Helsinki City Nighttime bus traffic line 94N. And as usual we will be starting at the Central Railway Station. And there we go. All set. And this beginning of the video you have seen so many times before. We will be moving on eastwards from Hakaniemi and stopping at every station until we reach the Itäväylä road somewhere in the east. Let's just wait and see how far we'll go. I have luckily finally renamed some of the stops to better float with the real stop names, which seem to have changed just today. After Kulosaari or Tupasaari, we will still stop at Kipparlahti, but then I think there will be some sort of turn. And yes, we will turn to Laivalahden Portti and then to Linnanrakentajan tie. And from there on we'll stop at Porolahti. And okay, so we'll be heading that way. Porolahden koulu, Keijukaisten polku, Vuorenpeikon tie. Interesting. Let's see where this thing goes, because okay. Roihuvuoren kirkko, Kreijarin kuja, Tulisuon tie, Marjaniemen tie, Itäpolku, what happens after Itäpolku? After Itäpolku is a stop at Itäkeskus. Let's just take that turn over there. There is a stop on the road, but let's not go there. Then it's Puotinharju, and then Vanhanlinnan tie, and then let's see where we'll head from Vanhanlinnan tie. Okay, we'll be heading this way to Arho tie, and then to Kukkaniityn tie, to Liikuntamylly, but after that something happens. And I think what will happen here is that we will be heading northeast. And yes, that's exactly what's going to happen. So the following stop is called Sirrikuja, and that does not exist yet. So let's just move over to the eastern part of Helsinki in the map, which is probably hopefully invisible to you at the moment. And Sirrikuja Kärsnäppsgränden, is that really the thing? Yes. Sirrikuja Kärsnäppsgränden. What a name for a stop. I really have no idea what this is about. And the junction also is a bit more difficult than it is in my version of events. We will just cut some corners short over here in order to make things easier. The traffic designers have a lot more to do than I have. Bad for them, good for me, or the other way around. Then we'll move on to Porttitie, which means that there will be another junction right in here. let's just move these signals to the other side of the intersection like that, and then let's build these blueprints, and then let's go with line. So sirrikuja, porttitie. Fine, all good so far. Let's see where we'll go then. Then we'll stop at Kontula, and we'll stop at Kaarikuja. Probably the following stop is Kivikonkaari, then at Sakara, Kontulankaari 11, Rapolantie, and that's the end of the line. We are almost, or we're not almost there, we're actually complete the line. And an interesting new addition to the network. Didn't see this coming, but it came anyway. This causes me a slight difficulty because there is only a one-way stop in Itäkeskus. So let's actually do one small thing here, and let some of all of the buses do the loop that way around, but let's relieve them of the loop in here. Then let's create all the possible things needed here. And then after creating everything in here, let's just delete the station and make it a platform of the Itäkeskus station. That's it. Let's build the blueprints and then go on with creating the line, which runs through there and then goes all the way through here. I hope this will work. Let's just see what reality will be in the end, but so far I think I got it. There is also a stop for Herttoniemi missing this way around, but okay, this is an issue which needs to be rectified, and the issue will be rectified by creating another track this way around. And once I am at it, I might just as well create a new station called Herttoniemi in here, because there in reality is a station called Herttoniemi in here. So there and there. It's getting more and more complicated by the day. Let's just move that a bit backwards so there won't be any big issues. That's the way. Build them, and then let's once again run the line through this stop over here. That's it. That works. That actually does work. But wait a second. Let's just move it up a bit, and that's no. Let's. Oh, and by the way, this is not called Helsinki 80. The station will be deleted. Oh, no, not from here. From here. And then the platform will, oops, once again. What the hell? Okay, so delete the station. Herttoniemi. That's it. Let's go back to the line. Stops at Herttoniemi, stops over there, and over there, and over there. And now it should be perfectly fine. Not perfect, but perfectly fine. And 94N is reaching the end, which is over there. So, Line complete. Let's see how often it runs. Once again, every 30 minutes. So then let's buy the buses, shall we? So we're gonna need 3 of them. And the third one. And there we go. 30-minute interval. Line created, everything should function properly, and this is the end of the video. I will return tomorrow with a new one. Until then, bye!